Okay, so in that video, which was really kind of funny, but also very good, where we got to learn all about um, the gopher tortoise, which is native to Florida. So that was called the Tortuga Trail. So if you could take out your orange folder, we're going to work in our Connect the Dot booklets today. Okay, and let's go to the back of this. We're almost to the end. It's the page after the zebra. Okay, it's a little bit complicated, but hang in there with me. I think we can do this together. Okay, so your 1 is right here. So the key to doing this one is to finding the 1 right there. And remember, you're connecting the dots. So a dot is next to the number. So 1, 2, and then come all the way up here to the 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I went all the way up and around the head. Okay, so then I'm going to begin again at the 11, 12, 13, 14. See how that kind of makes the lower part of the mouth? Then over here to 15, 16, 17, 18, up to 19. Okay, so you're coming up and around. And then from 19, you're going over to 20, and then down to 21, 22, 23, 24, up to 25. Okay, right there. Over to 26, down to 27, 28, 29, 30, up to 31, up to, okay, then slanting up to 32, 33, and down to 34. So that's the little tail right there. Up to 35, over to 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and then all the way down to 43. It ends at 43. Okay, so the reason why we go a little bit slowly on that is so that you can connect all those dots. It had a lot more numbers on it than what we're used to. But there you have it. There is our tortoise right there. So the colors of the tortoise that we just saw are brown. So I'm going to take out my brown crayon and give this guy a little bit of color. You know what was really great about that video? Did you notice that you could really see the scales on that tortoise's skin? And it talked about how it ate grass. And then you could see when he left the dropping on Coyote Peterson, you could see the grass in his droppings of what you could see what he'd eaten, right? That was the funniest part of the video, but that's a rule. When you're a scientist, and especially when you're an animal scientist, you do study like what foods they eat, and you can tell by their droppings what they've been eating too. Okay, so I'm going to finish coloring right here. I'm just using brown for mine. They were really good. Brown is a good color for the tortoise, for him to camouflage, right? For them to camouflage the way they do. Okay, and they are a reptile. They do lay eggs. They have scaly skin, but they're kind of lucky because they have this little home that they can hide in to stay safe from predators too. They carry their home on their back. Okay, so I'm all done with that. I'm going to give myself an exit ticket. And I'm looking forward to see how you color your tortoise.